Mr. Tortoise having a meeting with other animals, and he took everything that belongs to them and ate alone, and they collected their feathers that was given to him to be part of them. And after that, he sent them to his wife to arrange a place for him. The animals lies to his wife to arrange his stones for him, and he landed his back on it and got his back being seriously cracked like what you are seeing here. Look at how his back being cracked. What it means is that don't be greedy, because seeing the animal celebrating of him being greedy, and that is the result of being greediness. So don't be greedy, because when you are greedy, you will lose everything like what happened